friends, Running Kimono here. So, a very mighty haul over at Walgreens. We unfortunately have no digital booster as of now. I went and checked this morning. I'm sure most of you did. I'm hoping that maybe Monday or Tuesday something will pop up in celebration of Black Friday in our digital coupons folder, and we'll have to just wait and see. Okay, guys, and I do apologize about the lateness of today's video. We had a major snowstorm here in the Midwest. It was really bad, and it was challenging driving yesterday, and then this morning the roads still were not clear, very bad visibility. So that's why today's video is late. If you're out in this, maybe you should go out later in the week. I grew up in rural Canada, so this sort of driving doesn't really faze me, but just be safe, guys, if you're out there and your roads look similar to this. Thing we're going to talk about, guys, is deals of the week that you should just do because they are absolutely fantastic. We have the Dawn Power Wash priced at $5.49. Sorry, that tag is not accurate. So for this little dealio, you're just going to grab one in the store. So this guy, we have a $2.25 digital coupon that showed up this morning. So maybe that's an early Christmas gift. I don't know. Grabbing one Dawn, it's $5.49. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're left with paying $3.24 for this product. Now, if you consider the price of this usually in the store is $5.99, this is about 50% off. Very good deal. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. The next deal is with the Tresemme 2 for $12, and this morning we got the SUPA coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. Make sure you have that digital loaded. Grabbing 2 shampoos for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7, getting back a $4 store register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I must have had a bit of snow on the brain because I was not paying attention in the store and I thought, wouldn't this be a really good idea? And it didn't work. I grabbed 2 clearance Tresemmes for like just under $9. The digital coupon came off, but the $4 store register reward did not print for me. Do not grab clearance because it will not print that $4 register reward, so I messed up. Don't do that. Okay, the next deal that we have is on these Wick. It is an oil kit, so 2 of them, 2 for $11. We have this very generous buy one get one free coupon that showed up this morning, and it's actually taking off $6.50, which is a lot of money. Really great. So for this deal, grab 2 of the Wick, these double packs of the oils. Over to your IBOTTA account and make sure that you have this rebate back, which is $1.50 for each. So you'll actually get back $3. And I also got back I think 30 or 40 cents from the Fetch Rewards app too. So photograph for Fetch as well. So looking at this, 2 of these Wick oil kits, $11. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $4.50. Getting $3 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $1.50 for the 2 or 75 cents per. Pretty awesome deal. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it, guys. Now we have a really good deal for some toothpaste. So we are looking at the Colgate priced at $2.99. So this deal is pretty easy, guys. You're going to grab 2 of them. So that's going to be $5.98. And just to show you guys the tags, because I know a lot of you really enjoy looking at the tags, it's a $4 reward when you buy 2. So that's the tag right there. So just grabbing 2 of them, and then you're going to load this dollar digital coupon. Now over on your coupons.com app, you're going to get an extra $1 as well for that. So that's not bad at all. So looking at the math for this, grabbing 2 of them for $5.98, subtracting the 1 digital, you're paying $4.98, getting back a $4 register reward. Make that $1 submission to the coupons.com app, and then it's a little something called free. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. The Pantene this week is 3 for $15, and there's also a promotion that if you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So that's not a bad deal, and I anticipated that those tubes of the conditioner would be included, and if you've ever tried it, it's a little bit of magic. This deal is a little bit different. We're only going to grab 2 because we have a $4 off 2. I think the other digital coupon's a 3 off of 3, so this is a much better deal just grabbing the 2 conditioners. So, just thinking outside of the box for this deal, grabbing 2 of these conditioners for $11.98. They're $5.99 a pop. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 for those beautiful tubes of conditioner. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. One thing I do want to mention, if you're doing the Tresemme and this deal, you must do it in 2 separate transactions. And no, you cannot roll a $4 register reward, store register reward from one promotion into the same promotion on the same week. Now a little deal with IBOTTA. If you might have this rebate, which is $1.25 back when you buy one of the Godiva domes, I love to gift these around the holidays. I wish I had a coupon to go with it this week, but we don't always get what we want. So they actually had like a Christmas display area, and then on an end cap near that area, they had all the different domes. So this week they are actually 2 for $8. And here it is, guys, 2 for $8 for the Godiva domes. Looking at the math for this quick little deal, 2 of the domes is $8 on the nose. Subtracting a $4 store register reward, maybe use it from the Pantene deal, along with $4 in Walgreens cash. This is food. You don't have to pay tax on this here in Michigan. And then submit that $1.25 back from IBOTTA, so get back $2.50. I think this is super smart, especially if you like to gift to your neighbors or like letter carrier. This is a cute little gift, and it's just so nice. The next deal that we have is a toilet paper deal. I'm going to be grabbing 3 of these 6 packs of the Angel Soft, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon. That's a little something called Not Too Shabby. Okay, guys, so grabbing 3 of these toilet papers, that's $14.07. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $12.57 out of pocket. Getting back a $3 register reward when you buy 3, making it $9.57 for the 3 or $3.19 per pack. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. And just to show you guys, like, I want to see it. Here it is. It printed for me. No problems, no issues. So I did do a deal where I bought $40 as I had this booster that printed out for me, which is $9 of Walgreens cash when you spend $40. The digital counterpart that usually shows up, nobody got a booster this week. So this is what I did. I grabbed 3 of the Angel Softs, 2 of the Wicks, 2 of the Godiva, and then 2 of the Tresemme conditioners. So like the greatest hits of stuff I just showed you in the slides previous. And then just to show you 9 back when you spend $40. And just to get my basket a little cheaper, I also threw in one $5 register reward from one of the deals I did last week. This one's a manufacturer coupon if you look at the top, thus I can use it in this deal. Okay, going through the math for this $40 basket, 2 of the refills for $11, 2 Tresemmes for $12, 2 Godivas for $8, and then 3 Angel Soft toilet papers for $14.07 for a grand total of $45.07. I got the cashier to scan my booster, 9 back when you spend $40. I presented 1 register reward, along with I had $13 in digital manufacturers on my card. I paid $27.07 with my debit card, got $9 back in Walgreens cash for the booster, a $4 register reward, and a $3 register reward for the offers I did. Plus, IBOTTA gave me back $5.50. So it made my haul $5.57. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash with that 9 when you spend $40 booster, or it will mess everything up. And just to give you some visuals here, guys, this is the rebates from IBOTTA. $2.50 back for the Godiva, and then $3 back for the Wick. I also got some sort of weekend warrior bonus, so I got an extra $1 back, so it was like $4.50 for that haul. Not too shabby. Other little promotions in the store include 40% off of Soap and Glory. They have a lot of cute little stocking stuffers, like for $8, 40% off of that. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And the Yankee candle that is $29.99 is down to $19.99 this week. So if that's your thing, use $20 in Walgreens cash and call it a really nice Christmas gift for somebody special. Okay, friends, before we take off, let's have a quick little giveaway for a $10 gift card. To participate, you got to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per shopper, and the winner's name will be picked and pinned to the top of this video, top comment in the comments, on Friday, November the 25th. Good luck. And this is completely free to participate. I pay for the shipping, the gift card. All you have to do is tell me where you're from in the comments. And that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and fingers and toes crossed we get something good for Black Friday over at Walgreens. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.